Ooh, power. Hello everyone, welcome back to the touring master. आज बहुत दिनों के बाद फिर वापस राइड पे निकल रहे हैं. It's been a while because I had gone back home for a while. 14 days to be exact. It was a 10-day plan and then मम्मी ने उसको extend करवा दिया. But now I'm back and there are some new changes, new updates. But आज major update ये है, after months of convincing, I am getting Rohan to buy a KYT helmet. सिग्नल जंप करके क्या मिलता है इनको, ये फ़ोन ट्रैफिक पगलूज. Anyway, it took a lot of convincing to Rohan because he does not like the locking mechanism of the KYT helmets. But you know, I have some powers to convince people into doing things, so I used that power, convinced him, and we'll meet at Highlander HSR. Get some stuff done for his bike. Wow. Get some stuff done for his bike and then get in the helmet, and he's also getting the C30 intercom. So I also got it recently. Very loud, very clear audio on this, so I'm happy with it. My friend circle, all of them have Blue Armor itself, so I decided to go with this. Chalo, somebody signaled. So yeah, also I'll get to ride his 390, so yep, that is going to be fun because all things considered it is on my list of bikes that I might upgrade to next year. So right now we have come to GTR for some gloves. I don't know if I'll buy them today itself, but I wanted to inquire. And this is the shop. ठीक है, let me talk to them and after that I'll get back to you guys. We've got Via Terra के ये gloves. मुझे तो एक बार में पसंद आ गए because मज़ेदार हैं. Fit बहुत अच्छा लगा मुझे, and the touch sensitivity with the phone is also very good. So overall I'm very happy with it. Now Highlander की तरफ चला जाए. I got them for a good price also, so I have no complaints at all. Highlander HSR. Also, I noticed a lot of people are facing issues with the Google Maps. It was not just me. Earlier I thought it was a issue with my phone, but everyone I know is facing the same issue. So I'm convinced there's something going on with Google Maps India for it to misbehave so much, or maybe the data it is getting fed is not what it wants to be fed. See, the roads are there internally, but it's showing me to go left and then take the highway and come to right. It makes no sense for me to do it. There's no practicality in that. So what a good fit, bro. What a good fit. For city rides and all, this is very nice. Nice. I like it. So yeah, there's that. So a lot of people are facing issues with Google Maps, and it's become really untrustworthy for us, especially for someone like me who depends on it heavily to commute in unknown spots. So yeah, hopefully Google India is going to solve for that, and we will no longer face map related issues. one can only stay hopeful. So yeah, we are going to Highlander. We'll see a selection of helmets, and from that Rohan will pick up his crown, and then we'll go for a meal because I'm hungry. And there's Rohan with his crazy bike modification. Full orange, electrifying orange. So what he's done is he's gotten all the body panels for the bike swapped. All the white panels have been swapped to orange, and every bit of the bike is now completely orange. And the best part is the RTO RC, it still says electric orange, which is true to it. So damn, looks pretty.
Where should I park? Where should I park?
There, sir, where the scooter is. There is space. Wait.
My park is here only.
You can, that's not an issue. We have swapped the machines. Now I'm riding Rohan's KTM 390 ADV, and so Rohan did not get the helmet he was looking for. So we are going to 6 km, and I finally found the visor I was looking for. I mean the pin lock. So win-win. Ooh, power. Oh my god, dust. This looks so nice. This feels so nice. There's so much power. Also, like, since I'm 6'6", I can completely flat foot on this bike. And the other thing is, post pin lock, the visibility is good, like it's less sore on the eye, so it feels nice. Crazy, bro, my god, crazy, very जोर का crazy. Damn, bro, what delivery, what power delivery, and so easy to handle. Like the handlebars are very light to operate on. There's no pressure on my shoulder. Nice, dude. Also, I'm not getting any wind buffeting. Like I'm not. So this is crossing from over here, from top of my head. Ooh, this is hot. What the hell is going on there? Why are we getting U-turn? Google, why do you do this to us? Very bad, Google. But okay, I think I have to bear with the traffic. Oh, the crawl feature just kicked in. I'm leaving the throttle. I have no hand on the clutch. It's moving on its own. Nice. Bro, open road, crazy throttle. Damn. So easy to handle. It's so nimble. It is so light on the hands to just ride it. Bro, crazy.
You stole my heart of gold after my silver soul. Can you stronger now. Cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now. It's so strong, so strong now. It's so strong, so strong now. It's so strong. You cashed in on my promises. You know I'm too generous. Now I've learned to never help you out. 'Cause I'm done cleaning up your mess. Found myself in my regrets. I've become a little stronger now. A little stronger now.
above arrow.
Oh, but you can increase the volume from your helmet only, no? Oh man. Chinese, no. It will take time and then it will go kaput. The Bluetooth device is giving up. Successfully. I like how big the front is, like tall.
Why you have that handlebar back, no? I'm trying to get.
Ha.
So the empty space, this empty space will cover up there.
Correct.
You can have charger or something, chewing gum, put it here.
So that is what I was suggesting to get for the rear seat.
But if someone is sitting, I can't have that. So, if it is, so this place is complete empty. Till here.
And this is nice. Please read entire owner's manual carefully before putting the vehicle into operation for the first time. Give a test first. Shivadarshini, believe yourself.
So if you fix the back, handlebar back,
Ha.
just below the.
Correct, it's covering like this. Correct. White arrow has it, yes. I saw Strel. So Strel, what he's done, his Himalayan handlebar is there and he's got a liner on that. So all the buttons that he needs is on that and the GPS. Bro, 16 minutes feels like forever. I'm also hungry. Well, buy a helmet, intercom. Intercom you'll take from Shanti only. So then we'll get you a helmet, we'll have some food.
Yeah.
And then we'll...
You go to McDonald's.
Okay. Jolly. But you are at least on a air cooled engine.
You can't.
Yeah.
You feel hot there.
A little bit, but that's, I guess, manageable. On the highway I was like this, so I was Italian. Sometimes I'm doing this underhand. The only problem I'm facing now, the tank, it bounces tongue like that. So I'm thinking I'll get the front visor entire thing and the tank changed. It also has dents and all, no? No, I'll give it to my father. So I don't want to give it to him with issues and all. And this is Bajaj, it will barely cost anything. Yeah, correct. Give the money, bro. But tell them, bro, see, I really want it. Will you give me in discount for 15k? Hopefully. You're going to do proper off-roading learning on this?
I should learn.
You should, because this is a very, like, from what I can feel right now, it's a very fun machine. No point putting center stand, no. Only for washing and all you need it.
You can wash anywhere, you can move the chain anywhere, you can fix the puncture.
That is there.
If you get tired of standing, you will only be sitting at home.
Correct.
The spools you have to take behind.
Correct.
So it's the same cost. 2.9k is 9.
Then get it.
Ground clearance will compromise.
Slightly.
Slightly. But lot of use cases are there.
No, more than that, see this. Signal opened. Let's go. Come on, get you, Rancho. Take left now. Stay left. Bro, I have to come through this road for office. Oh, I love this. I got cut off. Oh, but I can. Mad Thar. Oh, acha, I can see in front of you. Oh, yeah, I've gotten cut off. Auto Anna decided he'll cut me off. There's a guy looking at your KTM with lots of love in his eyes and like my future wife kind of I look in his eyes right now. Definitely. F77 though, it looks like an alien on the road. It looks like a good alien on the road. It's good to have a like a status symbol. It's a very good bike to have. The guy was drinking his boba tea and he was staring at the bike like, oh my god, baby, someday. I'll just record some videos now. Okay. Alright, so we have almost reached 6 km. bad traffic conditions, but ठीक है. We are here. We'll try to see if the helmet we want is right here or not. And I mean, I hope it's there. So Mr. Rohan Gowda has gotten his new helmet. Looking nice. Sexy boy. Now we are headed to Build a Biker. We are headed to Build a Biker. Yeah, and then we'll get a C30 intercom for him, and that's a wrap from there on. So चलते हैं, वहीं पे मिलता है सब कोई. Keep continuing. Okay, so we are back at Build a Biker with Build a Bear, Shantilal, and Rohan has got KYT. Another successful conversion. KYT, if you're watching this video, I got him this helmet. This is like the 8th person I'm getting a KYT.
He's actually saying like
So-
he has gifted me.
Yes.
What?
For all intents and purposes for the video, yes. And now we are getting
Bro, warranty
C30.
and all is there here.
How? Don't show warranty.
What is it?
He's getting okay. Very protective. All right, आज तो quite eventful day today. So we did a bunch of things. We visited a few stores. Where one of the stores I got the Pinlock 70 for my helmet, the R2R Pro, and then we got him a intercom which is C30, and yeah, quite the long day. Been out since maybe 12, so it's 6 hours already. But all in all, good fun. I rode the KTM 390 and I must say, what a machine. What an amazing throttle response. Very good braking. Seating posture A1. Everything about that bike, I absolutely loved it. So yeah, I mean, I can possibly lock that down as a choice for a bike when I want to buy one next, and that will definitely be on my list. So yeah, there's that. And if you guys have watched the episode so far, do let me know in the comments कि आपको कैसा लग रहा है episode. If you have any feedbacks or suggestion, वो भी feel free to drop. And if you're a first time watcher, please subscribe so that my channel can grow, and I'll keep making more videos, more meaningful videos. And yeah, I mean, that was today. See you guys on the next ride, next meetup. This is the Touring Master signing out. Good night, everyone.